How to sort a list of lists by a specific index of the inner list. I have a list of lists. For example, if I wanted to sort the outer list by the string field of the inner lists, how would you do that in Python?
This is a job for item getter. It is also possible to use a lambda function here, however the lambda function is slower in this simple case.
In place. Not in place using sorted.
Item getter lets you to sort by multiple criteria, columns. Multiple criteria can also be implemented through lambda function.